Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And so today is the day where I'm going to upgrade my action camera. So yes, as you have seen the thumbnail, I just bought this GoPro Hero 7 White, and I'll be switching from this camera to this camera. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this GoPro Hero 7 performs. Let me show you what are the things you get inside the box and how good the packaging is done by GoPro. So here we have GoPro Hero 7 White. So let me quickly open it properly and check it out. So we got 1 year warranty card. So finally GoPro. So guys, inside the box we got the GoPro itself and a case to hold it, and we got two clip clamps or something like that, and we got a Type-C cable, we got some GoPro stickers, and we got some paperwork. So yeah, let's quickly jump into the GoPro and see if it has some juice left in. So yes guys, I used to record with the help of this action camera, but right now I'm going to switch it to this GoPro. The design, the feel and the quality, and even the weight is a little bit heavier than this cheap action camera which I bought a long back for 1600 rupees, and this is 17,000 rupees. So I'm pretty excited to go outside and test this camera out. So yes guys, here are the few samples of GoPro Hero 7. This is an audio and video test of 1080p at 30 frames per second. So I hope the audio quality is good in this. by seeing the sample shots, I feel like this GoPro Hero 7 White is much more better than this cheap toy which I was using previously. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be comparing it to my DSLR and to this old camera, and I'll be explaining a few in-depth details about the GoPro Hero 7. I'll be showing you much more deeper settings and stuff to get your video quality better. And yeah, so far I'm pretty much in love with this GoPro, and I'm pretty excited to go outside and record the videos and create some memories and share it with you guys in a high quality. Hopefully I'll be recording some good stuff with this and show it with you guys. So once again I'm telling you guys to subscribe and click the bell icon. Arey yaar, make that red button grey. Yes guys, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.